welcome back to Long Stretch Academy. This is your host Shubham, and you are watching our Salesforce How To series where we talk about the best practices, quick tips, and standard operating procedures for using Salesforce as a professional. So, in today's topic, we are going to talk about how you can create leads and what are the key information that you should gather from your leads before you enter them in Salesforce so that when you convert them, they become a legitimate prospects with all necessary information available in the system. So let's begin. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, it's a small request to subscribe to Long Switch Academy so that you never miss an update from us. So here I'm inside my Salesforce org, and from there you have to select Leads tab. You will see screen something like this, and there you click New. That will take you to the new lead screen or new lead record screen where you can specify some of the key information for your leads so that when they are converted you will have a necessary information to move them forward in your sales pipeline. So here the first thing is salutation based on the gender of your uh, email or yeah, gender of your lead or maybe their qualifications. You can choose appropriate salutation. For example, I want to create a lead for one of my let's say leads, Krista White. So that is a she, so I'll use Miss, and the name would be Krista, and the last name would be White, and she belongs to White Label Marketing. Her title is uh, sales head. So you should capture first name, last name, company, and the title of your lead. Then, if you have any fax information, email is a must. Uh, if I'm not mistaken, if you have website available, I think I don't have it. Maybe something like label marketing. Yeah, I think that's right. Choose from where you collected this lead. I get it from a phone inquiry industry. You should choose a proper industry for your lead. Mine is they are a technology, marketing, or entertainment. I would pick entertainment. Then the lead status by default it should be open, non-contacted at this moment because for the first time I'm entering it. And along with that, the address should be there. And my lead belongs to United States. Date of street, city. I'll pick appropriate information. And additional information I don't have as such, and I'll add a description. So these are the some basic information you should enter while recording your lead in the system, so that it becomes necessary as part of your what is sales pipeline when they are converted. Direct lead. Okay, once I'm done with it, I'll hit save, and you can see that my lead is created, and now I have everything ready with me in the system, and now I can start contacting this lead. Can start working uh, on nurturing this lead to have it converted as a prospect. So this is how you should record your leads in Salesforce with all the required information or the necessary information that would become helpful for your sales pipeline. And Eventually it will make the lives easier for your sales team. So to let me know what you feel about it, and if you have anything to add on this section, feel free to use the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to Long Switch Academy so that you never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Long Switch Academy. Thank you very much.